Yeah.
Hi Josephine, how are
Hello,
you?
good, how are you?
Fine. This is Josephine Dorado. I'm trying to show the TechSoup logo on your shirt. She is here with TechSoup. Why don't you tell us what you're here doing with us today?
Well, I'm here showing people what TechSoup does and what Nonprofit Commons can do for them and their nonprofit organization. Some cool stuff like that they can build their community and extend their outreach through Nonprofit Commons program to have free land and resources and helping them educate their communities.
In Second Life?
In Second Life, right. And basically just build their community.
Why don't you talk a little bit about what you do and how we found you?
I think Susan and I met at a meetup here in New York through another mutual colleague who also is in the Second Life community. And I do education in virtual worlds and I'm involved in the serious gaming community. I have a nonprofit that connects students in virtual worlds through creative collaboration and theatrical performance, and also got a MacArthur Foundation Award to put together a site that aggregates and connects news with activism, which is now going to be translated into a game environment.
And finally, will you tell us your URL and your Twitter handle so people can come and look you up?
Sure. It's funksoup.com, FUNKSOUP.com, and my Twitter handle is funksoup.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.